here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and here is another episode of 60 Seconds or Less with the Deeds. So today's question is going to be, what are closing costs? When you get on HGTV, they talk about who's paying the closing costs. We're going to talk about the closing costs today, and we're going to do it in 60 seconds or less in a plank position. Also, I think it's like who can hold the plank the longest. I think I'm going to lose, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay with it. We're going to try it anyway.
Let's do it.
Closing costs is kind of complicated, but it's not complicated. But I'm going to try to talk about it. I have to talk. Do I get like a 5 second? Does he have to hold it for 5 seconds before me? Because I have to talk and plank at the same time.
Yeah.
Like, is there like a bonus maybe? Okay. I have my timer. Stop it. What is he doing back there? Okay. Good form, honey. Ready? Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay. So, a lot of people say, who's going to pay the closing costs? Is it so, oh God, I'm so out of shape. So, there are buyer closing costs and there are seller closing costs. So, what a lot of people don't realize is they are two separate things. Is my face starting
God, Autumn would be so disappointed.
I know! So, the buyer's closing costs are mostly related to their loan. So, they've got lenders. I can't do it. I can't do it and talk and laugh all at the same time.
Hey, you have to stay in it.
Yes, hey. So, and now I only have 10 seconds left. Buyer's closing costs are related to lender's origination fee. They're buying their inspection. They're buying their appraisal. They are paying for things related to their purchase. The seller's closing costs are going to be things like realtor's fees. They're going to pay their portion of the taxes. They're going to pay. I just can't do it in 60 seconds. But all that to say, really, there is no such thing as the closing costs. The buyer has closing costs. The seller has closing costs. They are two separate things. Now, in today's market, we do see sometimes buyers are offering to pay a portion of the seller's closing costs because it's a negotiation tool. In other markets where we have too many listings and not enough buyers will ask sellers to pay a portion of their closing costs. So there is some negotiation in who pays what. But ultimately, there are buyer costs and seller costs, and unless you're going to negotiate that being different, they are associated with two different sides of the transaction. So, sorry I couldn't do that in 60 seconds, and also that I can't hold a plank. I'm going to start working out again, and I'm out of breath, and my face is red, and I'm starting to sweat.
Well, there's your answer in 120 seconds or less.
If you have ideas for silly things that John and I can try to do in less than 60 seconds, or if you have real estate questions, please send them to us so that we can do your idea on the next video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.